Hello guys, welcome back. This is Indira and I'm here again with a new video. Um, so so I just want to thank you guys for everything, that all the support. I have gone to different markets and I appreciate all your support. And so I'm just make some videos like that. You can see what I do and some updates. And so if you guys feel free to like if you need anything else, or if you need something that is more like customized or something like that, so you can contact me and like I can make it for you. But so thank you so much for watching this video. And so I'm just gonna be here trying to give updates of whatever I have been doing. And so first of all, thank you so much, right, for your watching this video. And thank you so much for your support. Well, I go to markets. I know a lot of my customers have subscribed to my channel. And so I really appreciate that. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next week. Okay, so thank you, and I'm here with Green Pear Leather Goods. Thank you so much.